Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting footage and making clear folders so you don't hunt files mid-edit. Import all clips into Imovie and immediately create a 16:9 project with the correct frame rate for YouTube. Once done, skim footage to mark selects, use the spacebar to play and I/O or split to mark points. Make sure to rename your timeline clips. It saves time when you trim and assemble the rough cut. Now you build the story. Place selects on the primary timeline and rough cut to pacing. You will add B-roll above the main clip to cover jump cuts and reinforce visuals. Use audio keyframes for level changes and apply noise reduction or match audio across clips. For polish, apply color balance and stabilization where needed. Make small speed ramps sparingly. Once your edit flows, scrub the whole sequence and tighten any lingering pauses or finish by exporting the project with share file and pick the resolution and quality that matches your upload plan. 1080p at high quality is reliable. You should normalize levels so dialogue sits around -14 to -6 LUFS and add metadata in YouTube during upload. If export fails or you see green frames, relink any missing clips, clear render files, and restart Imovie. If uploads stutter, lower the export bitrate or try another container. One final watch-through catches small issues before publish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.